Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well and excited to learn something new today. Today, I'm going to walk you through a super simple process, transferring your funds from Binance to Coinbase. This is a common task for many crypto enthusiasts, and it's important to know how to do it safely and efficiently. Ready? Let's get started. First things first, log into your Binance account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy and that you're using a secure internet connection. Once you're in, head over to your wallet. This is where all your cryptocurrencies are stored, and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Binance supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, so make sure you choose the correct one. Let's say you want to move some Bitcoin. Click on Bitcoin, and then hit the deposit button. This will bring up your Bitcoin wallet address. Here you'll see a wallet address. This is a unique identifier for your Bitcoin wallet on Binance. Copy that address because you'll need it in a second. Make sure you copy it accurately to avoid any mistakes. Now switch over to your Coinbase account, log in and go to your wallet. Just like on Binance, this is where your cryptocurrencies are stored on Coinbase. Find the Send Receive button and click on it. In the Send tab, paste the wallet address you copied from Binance. This tells Coinbase where to send your Bitcoin. Double check to make sure it's correct, as sending to the wrong address can result in a loss of funds. Then enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Be mindful of any minimum transfer amounts and fees that may apply. After you've confirmed everything, click the Send button. This will initiate the transfer process. That's it. Your Bitcoin will start transferring from Binance to Coinbase. Keep in mind that transfers can take a few minutes to a couple of hours depending on network congestion. It's always a good idea to check the status of your transfer periodically. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to move your crypto from Binance to Coinbase. This method ensures that your funds are transferred securely and efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content like this. And don't forget to subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. We cover a wide range of topics to help you navigate the world of cryptocurrency.